Good afternoon. My name is Manish Kumar Singhal. I am Associate Professor in TIT Engineering College. I have taught Natural Language Processing in fifth semester AIML branch. And today's my topic is application of NLP. So let's start the topic. Natural language processing has a wide range of commercial applications focused on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language to automate processes and extract valuable insights from unstructured text data. There are so many applications. The categories are customer experiences and services, data analysis and operations, marketing and product development, specialized and advanced applications. In customer experience and services, the first is chatbot and virtual assistants. NLP powered conversational agents provide 24 cross 7 automated customer services, handling routine queries and personalizing interactions to improve response times and reduce operational cost. For example, voice assistants like Siri in Apple, Alexa, and Google Assistants. Sentiment analysis, as it is named, business use sentiment analysis tools to monitor customer feedback from social media, reviews, and surveys. Going the public's educational, emotional tone, positive, negative, or neutral, towards their brand, products, or services. Email filtering and classification. NLP automatically sorts incoming emails into categories like primary, social, promotions, spam based on their content, helping to manage high volumes of communications efficiently. The another category is data analysis and operations. Text classifications. This core NLP task categorize large volumes of text data into predefined topics or classes. It is used for content moderations, implies detecting hate speech on platforms like Facebook, organizing internal documents, and prioritizing customer support tickets. Information extraction and document analysis. NLP tools automatically identify and extracts key information, likewise names, dates, quantities, policy numbers from unstructured documents like legal contracts, medical records, financial statements, and job resumes. This streamlines data handling, ensures compliance, and automates resume screening process in HR. Text summarization. This applications coordinates lengthy documents or articles into brief summaries or key phrases, helping users quickly grasp essential information without reading the full text. Another one is intelligent search. NLP enhance search capabilities by understanding the underlying meaning and intent of a query rather than just matching keywords, leading to more accurate and relevant results in enterprise search system. Third category is marketing and product development, market research and competitive analysis. Marketers use NLP to analyze social media content and news articles to understand consumer trends, monitor brand reputation, and gather intelligence on competitors' activities. Targeted advertising. By analyzing user text data, browsing patterns, social media, business can personalize and target advertisements to the right audience at the right time. Marketing and product development, product recommendation system. E-commerce companies like Amazon and Netflix use NLP driven systems to analyze customer preferences and reviews, recommending products or content tailored to individuals users. Last but not least, specialized and advanced applications. In this category, machine translations. NLP enables the automatic translation of text and speech across multiple languages, breaking down languages barriers for global businesses. Healthcare and finance. In healthcare, NLP aids in managing and analyzing vast amounts of clinical notes and research papers to support better decision making and drug discovery. In finance, it speeds up data mining from reports and news for real time market intelligence and fraud detection. Grammar and spelling checkers. Tools like Grammarly use NLP to check for grammatical errors and suggest improvements, enhancing the quality of written communication. That is the summary. In these, there are two columns and categories and example of application in which understanding language category. The examples of applications are NER, sentiment analysis, classifications, generating languages, summarizations, translations, TTS, the human computer interaction, that is chatbot assistants, speech technology, ASR and TTS, specialized domain, biomedical NLP or legal NLP, search and retrieval, search engines, and document clustering. That is all for the topic. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.